Cows are domesticated animals widely raised for milk, meat, and leather. They are herbivores, primarily grazing on grass, and play a crucial role in agriculture. Cows are social animals that form strong bonds with their herd and communicate through lowing sounds. Found worldwide, cows are an essential part of rural and agricultural communities. They contribute to ecosystems by fertilizing the soil with their manure. Conservation efforts focus on sustainable farming practices and protecting native cattle breeds.